Welcome to Spotlight on Connected to India. My name is Himanshu Varma. I had the immense pleasure of speaking with Ranveer Shori and Sunil Grover, the leading men of the upcoming murder mystery Sunflower, exclusively on the OTT platform ZEE5. You can catch Sunflower on ZEE5 starting June 11th. Now, the usually dependable Zoom messed up our intros completely, but hey, we got a great interview. I hope you'll enjoy watching it. Here goes. The trailer of Sunflower looks very intriguing, very interesting, and one cannot really guess what's going to happen. So tell us a bit about it and your respective roles. Ranveer, actually, when I was watching it, I got reminded of Asif Merchant a bit. Does Digendra have any similarities with that?
Not at all. I think you're falling too much for the appearance. He wears soda glasses and, he has, oiled hair, oiled combed back hair. But that is not because he's funny. He's a very serious person. Although there might be a few funny moments, but Digendra is he's a reader cop. There are policemen who come up doing likha padi. So he's one of those. He's a reader cop who's now, who's become an inspector, and only because of his deduction skills. So you can say he's one of the prized investigative officers in the police force, and he has a great track record of solving crime. And on the personal front, also he's a compulsive problem solver. So even when he's not even when he's not working on the Sunflower case, his mind is occupied with solving other problems, whether it's a crossword puzzle or or something happening at home, or so it's it might seem at first sight, you might think it's a comic character, but it's not.
Sunil, how about you? In your character, Sonu definitely looks very mischievous. And but you can see there is something dangerous about the guy as well. Tell us about your character.
See, humor happens when you least expect in the show. Of course, it's a thriller where a death has happened. You don't know if it is murder. Police is trying to investigate, and this guy is also a part of the Sunflower Society where they all live. So this character comes across, when you look at it, is very simple, but it has few layers. As you watch, you'll understand. It was fun playing this part, and it was nicely written, and I just had to, try and get into what was written. That's it.
Coming back to Sunflower, it is, like I was saying, it is difficult to label it, and we are calling it a murder mystery because a murder has taken place. How do you see Ranveer? Could you compare it with anything else you've done in the past?
Yeah, it's not. First of all, it's not like anything that I've done, and that's what makes it exciting. And that's the one thing which I look for when I when I look for work, because I always try my best not to repeat what I've done. Sunflower, for me, I think the closest I can tell you, when I read the script, when I finished reading the script, the feeling I got was it's like Alice in Wonderland. It's like you go down this rabbit hole into this housing society, and then it's just like a mad world in there. It's a typical housing society with these oddball characters in an atypical situation. There's been a murder, and everybody's a suspect. And in that comes my character, Digendra, who's the investigating officer. So he is a bit of an oddball himself, And so it's like a cat and mouse game between between my character and Sonu's character and the other residents who are in the society. So I think the closest I can come up with is like it reminded me of Alice in Wonderland.
Interesting. How about you, Sunil?
As he said correctly, Alice in Wonderland. This character Sonu is also wondering what's happening, but he thinks that police is being friends with him. He's being friendly to police. When you see the trailer, he says, "हाँ sir, office में काम इतना चल रहा है." So he's being over friendly with the police. So yeah, it's funny. He believes that he doesn't realize, I think, that he's being investigated till one point. So and that's very pure. That's very innocent, and it's very difficult to be innocent. Actually, it took me a
Or
while.
is it?
Huh?
I just want to add one thing. In the series, one thing is that the society is called Sunflower.
Yeah.
And other than that, if there is a sunflower, it is, it's Sonu, which is Sunil's character. So he is actually the sunflower. If you look at that character, it's an amazing character, and I think Sunil has done such a great job, and this was one of the things which was very attractive to me when I signed up. Also, was because I asked Vikas sir who's playing Sonu, and he said Sunil Grover, and I was like, "You're on." Because I think it's very difficult to get the balance of Sonu, which Sunil manages with amazing ease.
So it took me a while
So,
to get into that particular emotion, and in fact, Ranveer sir helped me also with that. We rehearsed few scenes, we had a workshop, to get it right, and he was very, very helpful. So it was difficult to bring out the vulnerability and simplicity of that character. He's trying to be smart, but he is simple, and there are a few more layers as you watch the show.
Yeah.
So it was a little tough for me.
And the sweet confidence, how he goes and pitches himself to become the chairman of Sunflower Society, and he's convinced that they can't find a better candidate. So that's very charming and very sweet. That's what makes one think, what is this guy going to do he's such an adorable person. What's he going to do in the series? So it's going to be that's why I call it intriguing.
Yeah.
not just Sonu's character, even the other characters. I mean, like I told you, there are it's Alice in Wonderland. They are all oddballs.
Ranveer sir's character also is very interesting. You haven't seen a policeman like this, and it was few. I had read the script but once he started playing, I didn't realize how he would play this character, and to make it look different, he did so many things. Physical and on a mental level, and the way he took the role, it had some other meaning altogether when he started doing it. So there are very, very interesting characters in the show.
So in fact, that brings me to the next question. Both of you have done a variety of roles, a lot of success.
I was born in show business. My father was a Hindi film producer, but we were kept a little apart from it, and we were encouraged to study and kind of be professionals. But by 2021, I knew that this is, in spite of the love-hate relationship that I have with this business, that this is what I'm going to do. So I started working as an assistant when I was 21, and I was directing non-fiction by the time I was 25. And by the time I was 26, I had become a presenter on Channel V. I had become a DJ. And by the time I was, I think, 28, I had done my first film, I think. And by the time I was, by 28, I started doing theater. By the time I was 30, 32, I think I got my first film break. And after that, it's been a roller coaster ride. Some good years, some bad years.
Great. Sunil, you are a master's in theatre. Your journey from Sirsa to Sunflower.
Yeah, it has been nice. It has been great. I got the opportunity to do various things for a small time, like radio. I did voiceovers. I did some theatre. So in this field only, but I was lucky to experience so many mediums, and few films I did, and now OTT platforms are happening. So it's been great, nice. I'm lucky that I got to experience so much, from theatre to live shows, to do voiceovers for a long time. For about 8-10 years, I was doing voiceovers, and it's been good.
Fantastic. One last question. Both of you are dads, and when you do very unusual characters, like Sunil, you do Guthi, and you do it so amazingly well. You've got so much interest in playing drag. Same with you, Ranveer. You do very different characters. What kind of responses do your sons give to you when they see you doing this completely unusual things.
Mhm.
Like
I
when you
don't.
did Gutti for the first time, Sunil, what was your son's response?
See, he didn't understand initially when he was young. At that time, he was about 3-4 years old when, I think 3 or 4. So when I was doing Gutti, and when I started doing Gutti, so someone in the building said, "Tere papa to ladki bante hain, ha 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 ha." So he laughed at. So he came to me and he didn't tell me what the reason is, but said, "Papa, ladki mat bana karo." I said, "Why?" तो देख लो अमन, if you can avoid. I said, क्यों? फिर I got to know much later कि किसी बच्चे ने बिल्डिंग में उसको बोला है. So he told his, I think mother, she told me that this is what has happened. तो मैंने फिर क्या किया, मैंने अपनी सबसे फ्लैशी जैकेट निकाली और मैंने बाल थोड़े से जेल लगाया और मैं इसको लिया और मैं मॉल में चला गया. हमारे घर के पास एक मॉल है, वहां गाड़ी में बिठाया, उसको वहां लेके चला गया. वहां गया तो फ्लैशी इसलिए पहने थे ताकि लोग मुझे देखें. तो लोगों ने देखा और उन्होंने अप्रोच किया एंड दे वांटेड पिक्चर्स विद मी एंड दे केम अप विद कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स. तो काफी सारे लोग इकट्ठे हो गए एंड आई वाज होल्डिंग मोहन. So I was just telling him, see, so many people are smiling. It's because your dad becomes a girl. So is that a good thing or a bad thing? So he said, it's nice that you make so many people happy. So after that, he never complained. After that, I made sure that he becomes my fan. And I tried experimenting various things. Now it's otherwise. He teaches me a few things. I get to see he's doing various things and it surprises me and him.
And when you did Gutti and you did drag for the first time, were you inspired by someone in particular, or was it?
I come from a small town. It's in Sirsa only, what you said, Sirsa district, but town name is Mandi Dabwali. And there are many girls like that. My cousins, even my classmates. So there's so many girls like Gutti. So it came from there. I would see these girls on stage performing Pukarita Tumhe Vatan Tumhe Vatan Tumhe Vatan with a rumal in their hand and singing various songs. And, you know, while they're standing, singing this song, one foot is tapping constantly and the shoulder is going down. It really, it was wonderful for me. So I started copying them and everybody laughed. I didn't know, again, why they were laughing. But later I realized maybe it has an element because it was my reality. For them, it wasn't.
Yeah.
So I didn't understand what is there to laugh. But then, yeah, it made people laugh and I'm happy that it happened.
Oh, that's great, Sunil. It's amazing the variety of things you've done. We saw you in Thunder and we were shocked that this is the same man who's playing Guthi and now he's going about murdering people and without batting an eyelid. So hats off to you on that. Ranveer, how about you? How about your reaction from your sons when you did, let's say, Asif Merchant?
No, actually, I completely bypassed that whole thing only. I don't encourage him to, watch my stuff. He knows. I mean, now he's old and he's 10 years old, so obviously he knows I'm an actor. But he barely knows anything that I do.
He just turned 10, right? Happy birthday to him a few days back.
No, it was March actually. It's been a while. Yeah. So I mean, I would rather that he see me only as as a father who goes to work, comes back by chance. Thoda bahut, if he sees something or on TV or somebody mentions, I just dismiss it like अरे नहीं वो तो ऐसे ही like मैं तो.
But in my case, it's opposite.
मैं गोल ही कर जाता हूँ.
In my case, it's opposite. I love to flaunt.
I am very happy just being the father. मैं पूरा गोल ही कर जाता हूँ.
Well, gentlemen, thank you very much for your time. I wish you all the best for great success of Sunflower and great careers ahead. Thanks very much for being connected to India again. Thank you.
Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you.
Thanks.